Have you ever wondered what's the most expensive airplane seat? With lie-flat beds, free Wi-Fi, and very spacious seats with its own privacy with luxury food? Well, that is from Etihad Airways and its residence suite. It costs a whopping $66,000 USD. Its main room has a sofa with a very giant TV with it able to store 6 people, with its own private bed not in the same room, and its own bathroom with showers that is in the same room. Like, it's only one room. Like, isn't that insane? And it's even mostly bigger, like, than most American